had to refill my duck supply because I'm out of ducks. So here they are. They came in. They're a special edition of something. Oh, and they even have a little Jeep ducking thing. Pool, bath toy, and Jeep ducking. Let's see what kind of ducks we got. I'm gonna trim some dog tails after this too. Okay. No, get out of here. Okay, so you got Sifs, get up here. Oh, some of these are kind of plain. That's okay. I got some Christmas themed ones last time, and I was giving them away at Christmas. I was putting them on people's Jeeps. Got a little sailor. I don't know what this guy is. It's orange. Little. Oh, this is Dracula.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Dracula. I don't know what this is. Sis, you're making this difficult. And this is, oh, the It Clown. Oh, that's pretty cool. Could put it on one of the Jeeps in the neighborhood. I don't know what that is. Minecraft?
Yeah, I think it's Minecraft.
I don't know what this is. And then, I don't know what this is. Tiffany, stop. Stop.
Oh, Daphne's gonna pick one up.
Another sailor. Stop. It's difficult with 3 dogs. What are you doing? It's a little lost right there. This one. Got some plain colored ones that are pretty cute. It's a baby duck.
That's pretty cute.
Duck.
It's like a chick.
Detective duck. Oh no, sheriff duck, excuse me.
That's cool.
Yeah, and then...
Snips. Snips! There's like several on the floor.
Chef.
No, wait, can I see the chef one again? I don't think he's a chef. I think he's a, what is he? Oh, is he like a sushi chef? What is he?
Maybe. We got that one.
Okay, they're all on the floor.
Look at Ash. There's a red duck.
Demon duck.
Oh, is it? And then, oh, hula duck. That's more of that. This one is a weird one. It's like saluting. I have to find like Zach's car. Oops. This is supposed to be purple, blue, and a pink one. They should make politician ones.
Sure they do.
Another, I don't know what this is.
That's the one with the hat and sunglasses, or the hood
St.
and sunglasses.
Patty's Day. I should save that for the guy that parks on
Wait, can I see it? It's like St. Patty's bro guy.
I should put that on his Jeep.
St. Patty's bro or a Celtics fan.
Here's a cop. Another cop, I guess. Or no, flight. Thank you, Ash. That was very kind of you. And this is the pilot, maybe. Ash, I'm gonna trim your tail. He smacked all my ducks on the floor. Pirate. Is that a pirate? I guess. Yeah, it's a pirate. Baby duck. Gray duck. White duck. Ghost duck.
Like a baker.
Yeah, this one is weird too. And then, oh, an Easter one. I'll have to put that on Easter. Construction worker, I guess. Another little duck. That's an interesting duck. I've never seen that before. Oh! And then this one is, I'll save this one for Claire. Green.
Nope, this one's the box.
Stop. And then the last one is orange. Here, put this on Daphne.
I got ducked.
Ow, gosh. Snippety? No, this is my box. This one. Look at him. Ash, what are you doing? I give away my last 2 ducks at the convention at AwesomeCon, and the 2 follow Jurassic Expeditions on Instagram. It's one of our members. He has his Jeep stuff up there. And then Jurassic National Park on Instagram and YouTube. I ducked him as well. I had like the mini ducks. So, all right. Thanks for watching.